Services or something. My bag has a giant tear in it. Some of my stuff fell out. It was bad. Alright, now it is lunchtime. I'm gonna get some burgers. Or like a burger, more likely. I had a nice, really nice burger there. We're gonna go get a jacket, cause it's kind of cold out here. You know, I didn't even come into the Cedar Point with that much money in the first place. Looks like I'm just gonna be cold for a little while, that's fine. Well, it started to rain, so, oh well. It's really difficult to film on these coasters, and I know the footage has got to look so good, but man, like, that's twice now I've like stored it in my pocket. Hey Jack. That's twice now I've stored it in my pocket, like my camera, and then I can't get it out before we get over the hill, and then, yeah, I don't know. Oh geez. Also, my hair looks really weird right now. There's a spot on the lens. What is happening right now? This is uncivilized. Hold on a second.
A few moments later.
Well, I gave up. That's cool. Hopefully they don't close the coaster before I get there. Also, I want to go on that corkscrew. That would be kind of cool. Here we are again. Go for that jacket. I mean, not exactly a downpour, but something tells me this ride is popular. But thanks to the rain, everything seems to have cleared out. quite get my camera on fast enough. The first hill wasn't more than down. It was like backwards and down. That was pretty intense, but I will say that was amazing. All right, 6:36 now. Time to start heading back, but see if I can grab stuff. Greg, what's up?
Hi, Mom.
Yeah, there you go. All right, last time. Let's see if we can sneak in one more coaster. Yeah. Well. That seems like that's it for today. Fun. Now, the tricky part is finding the bus. No kidding. Jackson, my bag is ripping open again, but that's okay. Yeah.
Gotta do it for the vlog, dude.
Do it for the vlog.
That's right.
Here we are. All right, boys. That's it for tonight. I will go fill up at the gas station and head home. Let's see, strange face compilation much? That's not creepy whatsoever. Not a one bit.